Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to speak English but your brain just stopped working? You freeze, you smile awkwardly, and later you tell yourself, "Oof, I knew the answer, why didn't I just speak?" If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Because today we are going to talk about why you still fear speaking English even after months or years of trying, and more importantly, how to finally fix it in just 3 simple steps. Stay till the end, because step 3 will completely change how you see yourself as an English speaker. Let's be honest, your problem is not English, it's fear. And this fear has 3 invisible roots: fear of judgment, fear of mistakes, and fear of comparison. Let's break them one by one. Fear of judgment. We Indians, and actually most non-native speakers, worry a lot about what people will think. You imagine others judging your accent, your grammar, your tone. But here's the truth, nobody is judging you as much as you think. People are busy with their own insecurities. Even the best English speakers make mistakes every single day. They just don't stop talking because of it. Next time you speak English and make a mistake, say this line immediately: "Oops. My English isn't perfect yet, but it's getting better every day." Say it with a smile. You'll instantly shift the energy. Fear of mistakes. Remember school days? Teachers said, "Wrong answer, sit down." So our brain learned that mistakes mean humiliation. That's why, as adults, we prefer silence over mistakes. But in language learning, mistakes are your only teacher. If you never speak, you never learn. If you speak wrong, you learn fast. When babies learn to talk, they make thousands of mistakes, yet no one laughs at them. That's exactly how you learned Hindi, through repetition and correction, not perfection. So from today, start celebrating your mistakes. Fear of comparison. We scroll through social media, see people speaking fluently, and think, they're so confident. I can't be like that. But you're comparing your practice stage to someone's performance stage. You don't see the hundreds of hours they've practiced alone. You only see their 1-minute perfect video. The reality is, fluency is not born, it's built, 1 minute, 1 sentence, 1 try at a time. Now that we understand why this fear exists, let's talk about how to break it forever. Here are 3 proven steps that will remove your hesitation and make you speak confidently in English, even if you failed before. You can't run a marathon without walking first. Similarly, you can't speak English in front of others confidently until you've practiced alone, in private, safely. Mirror practice. Talk to yourself daily in front of the mirror for 5 minutes. Describe your day in English. Example: I woke up at 7 a.m. I made tea. I checked my phone. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on flow. Voice recording practice. Record your voice on your phone and listen to it. Yes, it feels weird at first, but this is the fastest way to catch your weak points. Journal in English. Write 5 lines daily about how your day went. Even simple sentences build strong brain connections. After this video, record a 30-second English clip and comment, "I spoke for 30 seconds today." Trust me, that's how real fluency starts. Step 2. Replace fear with curiosity. Instead of saying, "I'm bad at English," start saying, "I'm learning English." That one word, learning, changes everything. Because curiosity and fear can't exist together. When you become curious about new words, accents, or phrases, fear disappears automatically. Here's how to bring curiosity into your learning. Watch English YouTubers with subtitles. Pause and repeat their lines. Don't just listen, shadow them. Watch one English movie or series clip daily. Say the dialogues out loud, like an actor. Use ChatGPT or Google Translate to talk daily, free, private, and no judgment. Remember, English is not a subject, it's a skill. And skills grow only through curiosity and play. Step 3. Speak daily with real people. Once you're comfortable speaking alone, it's time to speak with others. You can't build confidence in silence. You build it through connection. Here's how to find people to practice with, even if no one around speaks English. Join Telegram or WhatsApp speaking groups, many are free. Use apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky to practice with real learners. Create a speaking partner pact. One friend, 10 minutes a day, English only. And remember, don't focus on perfect grammar, focus on clear communication. Even broken English is better than perfect silence. You've been silent long enough. Now it's time to speak, not perfectly, but proudly. When you speak English, don't think, I'm not good enough. Think, I'm getting better every day. Because English is not a test, it's a tool that can open jobs, friendships, travel, and confidence. Nobody becomes fluent overnight, but the ones who win are the ones who keep speaking even when it's not perfect. So from today, promise yourself one thing: I will speak, no matter what. If you felt connected to this message, write in the comments, I will speak English confidently from today. Because when you type it, you declare it. And remember, in the next video, I'll show you how to think in English naturally without translation so you'll never get stuck while speaking again. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video with your friends who also want to speak English confidently. Let's make the next 30 days the start of your English transformation journey.